Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about top 10 GK questions on May 24. What is the full form of RPF? Option A, Rescue and Protection Force. Option B, Railway Protection Force. And option C, Reverse Protection Force. The answer is option B, Railway Protection Force. The Railway Protection of the Force is a security force established by Railway Protection Act in 1957. It was enacted by Indian Parliament for the better protection and security for the railway property. Next question. Who's the Chief of Indian Army? Option A, M.M. Naravane. Option B, S.K. Saini. And option C, Vipin Rawat. The answer is option A, M.M. Naravane. The Chief of the Army Staff is professional head, commander, and highest ranking military officer of Indian Army. What is the full form of ILO? Option A, International Law Organization. Option B, Indian Law Organization. And option C, International Labour Organization. The answer is option C, International Labour Organization. The International Labour Organization is a United Nations agency whose main is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labor standards. It was founded on 1999 under League of Nations. It was the first and oldest specialized agency of UN. Next question. The headquarters of ILO, International Labour Organization. Option A, Geneva. Option B, UN. And option C, Paris. The answer is option A, Geneva. The headquarters of ILO is situated at Geneva, Switzerland. Who's the Director General of ILO? Option A, David Adam. Option B, Guy Ryder. And option C, Darwin Thomas. The answer is option B, Guy Ryder. Guy Ryder CBE is a British political scientist. Also, he is the current and 10th Director General of ILO. Capital of Argentina. Option A, Rosario. Option B, Buenos Aires. And option C, Mendoza. The answer is option B, Buenos Aires. The Argentina's big city is Buenos Aires. The population of the city is 28.9 lakhs in 2010. Capital of Spain. Option A, Madrid. Option B, Barcelona. And option C, Levante. The answer is option A, Madrid. Madrid is the central capital of Spain. The population of the city is 66.4 lakhs in 2019. The largest dam in Kerala. Option A, Idukki Arch Dam. Option B, Malampuzha Dam. And option C, Mangalam Dam. The answer is option B, Malampuzha Dam. Malampuzha Dam is the largest dam in Kerala. This dam is located in Palakkad. The water capacity of the dam is 226 million cubic feet. What is the name of the first tropical cyclone? Option A, Nargas. Option B, Clani. And option C, Alice. The answer is option C, Alice. Tropical storm Alice was first tropical cyclone. This cyclone was named in 1953. This cyclone hit Central America, Florida, and Cuba. Full form of WMO. Option A, World Medical Organization. Option B, World Monitoring Organization. And option C, World Meteorological Organization. The answer is option C, World Meteorological Organization. The World Meteorological Organization is an intergovernmental organization with 193 members, states and territory. The head of WMO is Gerhard Andre. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel.